Hi, I'm Don from DonDronesOn. The folks from MOONCOOL sent me their cool TK1 folding e-trike. Yeah, that's right, it's an e-bike, but in a tricycle format. So that's kind of cool. My partner Joy is going to put it through its paces, so let's check it out. So here's the MOONCOOL TK1 folding e-trike, an amazing piece of kit. It's got 20-inch wheels, hydraulic brakes, front and back, 500-watt motor in there, super battery capacity. The overall range of this bike on a full charge of the battery is anywhere from 50 to 100 kilometers, which is actually incredible. So you basically do not have to worry about range if you're going to be recharging it reasonably frequently. The bike is fully adjustable in terms of the seat height and the handlebar height for riders anywhere from 5 foot as a minimum to 6'3". Overall cargo capacity is 450 pounds. So now that's pretty massive. That's person and cargo. For cargo, it has a basket at the back as well as one on the front. And these are removable. So if you just prefer to have some arrangement of your own on there, you can do that. The bike also comes with a cargo net that goes over there to hold whatever you've tossed in your basket in there so it doesn't bounce out, which is really good. We've got lights, headlight at the front, tail lights at the back, including a turn signal, which I've got activated there. So the brake handles feature a parking brake capability. You just push that little button down and it puts the brakes on. Now that's important for an e-trike, unlike a regular bike, because it actually could roll away on you if you just stopped on a hill. So that's a good feature. If you've never ridden an e-bike or an e-trike before, it's very simple to operate. You basically turn it on from the control panel up here, where you can see your current speed, your battery level, and your power assist level, that number there. So I've got it on 0 right now, and it goes up to 5. I would recommend you start with 1 when you're learning. And all you have to do is you get on the bike, and you start pedaling, or using the throttle here, and it will start to go. And as you're pedaling, it basically assists you, and you can use pedal assist levels from 1 to 5. This bike has no gears, which makes it much simpler to operate than a lot of e-bikes. So you don't have to worry about changing gears or anything like that. If you're going up a hill and you need extra assistance, well, you just boost the throttle a little bit. The front end has suspension to take out some of the bounce from potholes or anything like that. And it also has quick release levers here to take the front wheel off. That might help you to get it in the back of a car or anything like that. And it conveniently goes through a regular sized door without any problem. The trike comes in one enormous box, but it's really easy to unpack and assemble. You'll need a knife to cut open the carton and snippers to cut all the plastic ties holding everything in place in the box. MOONCOOL provides all the other tools you'll need. The rear part of the trike comes completely assembled, leaving only the front fender and wheel to attach, the 2 cargo baskets, popping the seat and handlebars in, and finally the headlight. The instructions are good, with nice clear pictures of each step. Unboxing and assembly took maybe a bit over an hour. Now, I have to share this one problem I had. On my initial test ride, the trike basically stopped working after 10 minutes or so. It turned out that a circlip in the pre-assembled axle area had somehow become dislodged either in manufacturing or shipping. MOONCOOL worked with me to troubleshoot the issue, but in the end I needed to take it into a bike shop to resolve. A shout out to Frontenac Cycle in Kingston, Ontario for their quick and friendly service.
We were able to fix up the trike and get it ready to go again.
And MOONCOOL, to their credit, immediately reimbursed me for the repair. It is extremely unlikely that you would ever encounter a problem like this yourself, but I would be remiss to leave it out of the review. And while I'm on the bad news side, here's an issue you should watch out for. There's a cable harness running inside the frame. I accidentally pinched it when folding the frame together, despite a curly cue designed to protect it. The wire didn't break, but I needed to put tape on it and stuff 2 bits of foam into the frame to keep the wire from catching again. A simple fix for what could have been a serious issue. After that, it was clear sailing. Let's check out Joy's initial reaction to getting on the trike.
So, away I go. Oh! Oh, Jesus. Oh, this is too fast. So I just saw my pattern down to this. I really liked it. I'm really surprised myself actually, because like I'm not a bike person, but I got used to it. It's so easy to navigate, so easy to use all the stuff on it. I felt really secure. And so, yeah, I like it. I think it's going to be my new mode of transportation. I was a little worried at first, like with the corners and turning it around. Like I was really scared, but it was very easy to get used to, and it was fun. It was fun. Okay, brake on. Nice. I really like it.
So I'll show you how you fold this thing up and put it in the back of a car. It is heavy. It's 90 pounds. So 2 steps to the folding down. You release this lever here, and that allows the handle to drop. And then the second step is you're going to fold it. This is a hinge right here. You take this lever, pull this little thing, and it releases, and then it folds like this. Okay, once you have it folded, then the next task is to get it in the back of the car. So I find that putting the back wheels in first helps because it's the heaviest part and it's a little more stable. The front end kind of wiggles around, so that makes it easier to put the back in first. Grab it here and somewhere at the back. Now it's awkward because this basket is not very comfortable to lift with, but that's about the only place you can really grab it comfortably. Get yourself in there and lift it up. Oh God. It is a beast. This is a Honda Pilot, and it basically just fits in there under the ridge. And then you basically have to tilt it a little bit and shove it back as far as you can. Anyway, you get the idea. You can get it in there. So there's two, once I catch my breath, I'm going to show you a trick that will make it a heck of a lot easier. Number 1 is to take the seat right off. Number 2 is to take the battery off. The battery weighs about 10 pounds. So out of your 90 pounds, you're taking almost 10% off just with that. So you unlock it, maybe that way, and then it slides upwards like that, and then lifts out. So that's a big chunk of weight. And then the last thing you can do is remove the front wheels. On one side, there's a little quick release lever that allows you to remove your wheel like that. And that gives you maybe a few extra inches for when you're putting it into a tight space, or if you need a little bit of extra room to maneuver. And it is noticeably lighter for putting it in. But it gives you extra room if you take that front wheel off. And the battery takes off 10 pounds, so that's pretty good. That makes it a lot easier to get in the back of your car. So there you have it, the MOONCOOL TK1 folding e-trike. Solidly built, stable, and easy to ride. I'd recommend it.